Hi everyone, if you are dreaming of having your own 2-bedroom, 2-bath, lock it and leave it, fly in, fly out piece of paradise in a sophisticated Mediterranean village off the stunning beaches of Costa Rica, well, then this place is for you. Stay tuned, we're going to check out my newest listing, 10 Plaza Carlota. Hi everyone, Sarah Breitlander here with Crane Luxury Real Estate, and I'm so excited today to show you my newest listing. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, beautiful home located right in the heart of Las Catalinas. But before we get started, I'm going to show you the outside because this home is so perfectly positioned. First of all, the home's over here. You have this beautiful flowering bougainvillea right out your doorstep. And the reason I like the Plaza Carlota homes, we've sold many homes here, they actually go quite fast, is because you're overlooking not one but 2 beautiful courtyards. The first of which is this beautiful courtyard with the bougainvillea. You actually have a cashew tree here growing right outside at your doorstep. Beautiful plaza, and if you can see that beautiful kind of staircase down there, you are literally 30-second stroll to the amazing beach club and then onto the beach. Quiet, as you can see, we're here in high season, still wonderfully quiet, zero development or construction noise around. You can hear some birds, and just really great outdoor space either way you go from your home. So now we walked past the home. Here is the other beautiful rotunda, beautiful trees. These 3 trees actually are ylang-ylang trees. That is the fragrance. That is the star of the perfume Chanel No. 5. And so that's always a fun fact. And of course you have a beautiful fountain here with the lovely birds. So this is just a really great space for you. 1, 2 beautiful rotundas just off your doorstep. Okay, now let's get to the house. I was so excited to get this listing because Las Catalinas is a beautiful Mediterranean style village, as many of you know. It's located right off the beach, Playa Dontita and Playa Donta in Costa Rica. So many of my clients are loving this place. This place is rocking and rolling. Lots of movement in Las Catalinas. Lots of buyers want to be here. Product has always been limited because this is a town that's growing. But now that they're finally growing, more product is becoming available. Literally, we had 2 offers that came in yesterday just for our Las Catalinas homes. So when I got the call that we could bring this home to the market, I was really, really happy that we finally have some more product in the area to satisfy that demand. And this home, you're gonna see the layout's amazing. But first, as you walk in, just look how private it is. And I just want you to see what I see here, just surrounded by lovely greenery and beautiful flowers. And then you have this really nice private outdoor space, a plunge pool here. So a lot of places in Las Catalinas, because the real estate it can be pricey and it can be very coveted. Sometimes you don't have a lot of real estate with your home, but not so in this case. You have a really nice private outdoor area. After you, I want you to show you the main heart of this home. Just beautiful, you guys. I love the layout of this home. So check out this vibe. Isn't this great? A few things you're gonna notice. Layout is spectacular. I personally love, and you don't get this often, when you have a home with the kitchen, the living room, the dining area, the plunge pool, the fountain, the outdoor area, all on one floor. 0 steps in this home, and I love that. That's something you just don't see every day. So let's get started with the kitchen. Love this jade colored poured concrete, a really nice touch. Very well maintained. You have this traditional dark wood here. Really nice and traditional Las Catalinas, which I love. Las Catalinas, Mediterranean style village. Tons of hiking trails. If you are into fitness, you love nature and kind of beach, sophisticated vibe, Las Catalinas is for you. And then look at this beautiful backsplash here. Another reason I love this home is just the windows. Look at all the beautiful natural light. You can open, you have not 1, not 2, but 3 sets of doors that can open on this level. And then look here, beautiful sliding doors that lead to this amazing courtyard with a fountain. Isn't that lovely? Such a great vibe. I love that this is the indoor heart of the home, the outdoor heart of the home. And then you come through here, a nice big living area for Las Catalinas. And then I love this really sunny, happy dining area. Look at the detail in this home. It's almost like a Moorish accent on a Mediterranean village. The crowns on these windows, really nice and bright, very well done. You have this shattered travertine tile on the floor, which is a really, really classy touch. Travertine throughout here. This is your first full bathroom. Nice and large. This is also a really great rental for those of you who are interested in just a lock it and leave it, beautiful in the center of everything home. You can rent it out for income when you're not using it. This is an easy home, and I love that, and it's bright and happy. This is a stackable washer dryer, full set. I love the decor and the design in here. Everything that basically comes included. There might be a few pieces of artwork that the owner wishes to take, but other than that, everything you see is what you get. I love this. Pura Vida, sunrise, sunset. They're missing one rung. It should say repeat. Pura Vida, sunrise, sunset, repeat. But I love it. So here is the first full bedroom. Look at this, isn't this beautiful? I love this. Great vibe. Windows, light, everywhere. Of course, you can have blackout shades if you want, but I mean, you're here for the sun. This is great. And have you noticed the privacy? No one is here looking in on you. We don't get many objections to Las Catalinas, but sometimes we could get some, we do get some with certain homes because of the privacy. If there's another home, you know, overlooking it, which can happen because everybody wants to be here, but not so with this home. And I love that you're protected with your privacy here, but still in the middle of it all. So again, this is just one of my favorite spots. They have, of course, real beautiful plants thriving here because the sunlight comes in here, but it's not really direct. It's really nice and cool in here, actually. Beautiful fountain. And then let's come in here. This is the principal bedroom. Again, just when all the doors and the windows are open, it just feels like you're still connected with your family. Of course, you can shut all these doors for privacy, but I love this connected feeling. Here you have your closet, of course. Everything is custom made, and your ensuite bath here. So this is it. This is Plaza Carlota number 10. It's just an honor to be listing this and bringing this to the market. If you are interested in Las Catalinas, or quite frankly, any homes along the coast of Guanacaste, feel free to reach out to me. I would love to help you find your piece of paradise here in Costa Rica. Ciao for now, and Pura Vida.